Uh-oh, we have a new angle here. Actually, you're in my living room right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk into the kitchen, and we're going to do this thing. Is my refrigerator empty, or is my refrigerator full? There I am. Well, let's take the walk as I talk. Now, here is the refrigerator. As you can see, I got a lot of refrigerator magnets. I've collected a few of those over the years. Got one of these on there too. Isn't that nice? Ice or water. Well, anyhow, is my refrigerator empty or is my refrigerator full? Pause the video right here and try to decide. And then at this point right here, I'm going to unpause the video. I'm going to give you the answer. I'm going to start with the freezer side. Now, let's see. I keep this lunch box in here in case I ever am going somewhere and I need to keep food cold. There's nothing in that except the freezer packs. I got 2 things of marshmallows. I like my marshmallows frozen. And then down here, we got cinnamon waffles. They're good. And good for you. And I recently found out that I'm able to eat small bits of chocolate. So I have some mint chocolate chip ice cream. And I don't really have anything on the sides. Now I do in the refrigerator part, but that's coming next. Over on the refrigerator side, now I had 3 of these yesterday. I've eaten 2 already. I love these mashed potato things. And I like garlic. And of course I have 3 containers of cream soda. Down here I have about 17 yogurts. Of course, you got to keep this stuff in your refrigerator. It keeps your refrigerator in good condition. Keeps odors and things out. I got lettuce right down there. And pretty much nothing in the bottom. I do need to do some shopping. I got mayonnaise, I got ketchup, and I got French dressing. So there is the refrigerator answer. It's about halfway. It's not really full. It's not really empty. But then I have a pantry too. And in the pantry, I have popcorn. I have salt. Now, I do not put salt on my food. That's for the winter time. I put it on any snow or ice that might fall so I don't slip. I got Splenda. I have coffee. I have, I can't remember what the name of that stuff's called now. This stuff here. More coffee. I got some tuna fish. I got some empty tins. Got tea. Tea and more tea. And this thing here is an old sock. Inside the sock I have 2 small containers of rice. What you do if you have a pain, and that's a clean sock, it's right out of the wash, you put that in your microwave oven. And then it heats up and it acts where you can put it like on a knee, bruise or something, and it'll just make you feel better. And there's where that tour started, right there at my unmade bed. The office is back down this hallway. And for now, thank you for allowing me to bore you, and have a great day. Bye.